tires. What are you doing here? I don't need tires, I need a fucking bawk. What the hell is... Oh, no, fuck, oh, shoot, run, like a boss, run, run, I have a flashlight, oh, no, fuck. Hi, hello everybody, Zanin chu ti to chatok mega shet suak le tuna hian dar som le minute sari ri to hey som le minute sari ri to horror games kan khel yang chonin ti to chadeu ka lo shet suak mo hey ti phikaron lata horror games ka khel chungin mi ga ti saptawng hlir hman ka tumanga saptawng ka hman lo Mizo chong ka hman ve chonin ka ma hen ti pin kain chapang khoi mem por hin me the ka hmai ka benga po ni the ka na ra po ni the ka chala po arem lai ni me chonin let's go. Okay, let's begin. We'll play at the net. We'll play House of Slendrina 2. Slendrina. No. It's Slendrina the cellar tawng. Sounds like a game for little girls. Okay, let's begin. Here we go. Oh shit! Haha! Fuck! Slendrina, where are you? I am not afraid of you. My name is Carlo, and I have a flashlight. Exit. Oh, I need to find 8 bawks. Okay, we'll begin. Barrel, hi. Oh hell, what the fuck me like a Hi. I'm here to collect books. I want a books. What the fuck? I'm coming, bitch. Barrel. Oh, a key! Come here! I want my keys to open the doors. Fuck is that sound? It's not my. Go left, right. Oh, we'll go to the left set. We'll go left. In, right. In left. Minutes, okay? Oh shit! No! Oh fuck! I am not scared. I was just warming up. Oh, a case! I found you. Oh, look. Bawk! Oh, bawk. How do I pick you up? How do I fucking pick you up? Oh shit. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck me, bitch. Fuck me, bitch. Fuck me, bitch. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight I go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Okay, we don't go the right side. Okay, we'll go to the right. And I'm the best gamer in the world. 1K seals. Okay, fellas, we're here. Barrel. Hi. Damn me. Where's Slendrina? Is he here? No, Curly, he's not here. Okay, thank you, he's not here. I'll go this way. Oh, look. We didn't go here. Right? I say something. A key! Gay! Oh, it. Bawk! Yes! High five! Come here, Slendrina. I'm not afraid of you, for I am the best gamer in the world. What? Open Sesame. Left, right, open. One key is used. Why? Why would I use that? Because of the book! Of course, yes sir. Yes sir. Yes. 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 Have I went here? Oh, another key. Come here. You are mine. You are mine. We have found 3 books. We have found 3 books. And we'll go to the... I think we'll go to the right side. We'll really go to the right side, huh? I have a flashlight, bitch. And I'm not afraid to use it. I think we go here. We went here. We went here. Return to here. Barrel. Where's Slendrina? Have you seen her? No? Okay. Bye bye. But Carlo, I miss you. Fuck you. Okay. I'm not afraid of you, Slendrina. And the best gamer in the world. I never get scared. Fuck is that sound? I think Slendrina is a musician. Oh look, cabin. Hello, Slendrina, I'm not afraid of you. I went here, right? I went there. But no problem. We'll just return. I have 2 keys and I have a fucking flashlight. And I'm not afraid to use it. Yeah, very fair. Hey. Oh, stop! No! I was just kidding! Get away from me! Fuck you! I was just kidding you. No, I'm not kidding. I'm the best gamer in the world. 1K is used. Tires! What are you doing here? I don't need tires, I need a fucking bawk. What the hell is... Oh! No! Fuck! Oh! Shoot! Run! Like a boss! Run! I have a flashlight! Oh, no! Fucking hell! Oh, fuck! Woo! I'm not afraid. I was just warming up. Go to the red. They see me rolling. They hate it. Patrolling and trying to catch me riding dirty. Trying to catch me riding dirty. Fuck you. My name is Carlo. I have a fucking flashlight. And I'm not afraid to use it. Fuck you, Slendrina. I hate Slendrina. You're a bitch. And I'm not afraid of you. I am back, bitch. I'm still standing. Yeah, books. I'm still standing. Better than I ever did. Looking like a true survivor. Open the fucking door. Fucking hell, books, come here. I'm still opening doors. Yeah. 1K is used. Okay, that better be boxy. No. Oh shit, what the fuck was that? I'm not afraid of you. Cause my name is Carlo. Oh fuck. I was just taking a peek. Fuck you. I'm going back there. I'm not afraid of you. I'm coming in. Open Sesame. Oh. Open the fucking closet. It's easy. This challenge is easier than I thought. This English language challenge is easier than I thought. Cause I'm the best gamer in the world. Open fucking Sesame. You better not follow me, Slendrina, because I have a fucking flashlight and I'm not afraid to use it. Okay, let's go. Wheel! Let's open the fucking doors. Open a barrel! What the fuck are you doing? Oh, go on. Hello? Oh. Video ka siam mek. Horror game sa khel mek. Oh no! No! Fuck! Oh shit! No! Fucking baby! Oh no! Run like a boss! Run! Oh yeah! Ako. Oh no! Bila humlak lo. Ako. Okay, cho nên cái tí giống cái này mẹ horror games tắc cái chú. Cho nên mình rồi có xe bơi một cái vác cái đấy. Cái khel lại cái voi khát Mizo trồng cái trồng xe. Cái nhìn chep bằng tu đã. Hey. Khôi nghe cái màn ảnh. Trên khôi gần tiếng. Tại là thôi đâu. Oh, tada! Ay, ano rin ulo to? Loko, chep na rin may dangkan mong ting. Tada! Ano chep na rin ulo bim. Rồi, tí xong khăn gì mấy không? Like và subscribe qua đấu thể cái lỗ là Hmuhnawm bên tí rồi. Cho nên Hmuhnawm bên tí là rồi lâu subscribe rồi. Bye bye, peace. Oh, what the? Been it upon the 10th floor.